Hello, welcome to my channel Easy Drawing for Kids. Let's learn some colors. Black color, blue color, red color, orange color, pink color, green color, yellow color. A. A is for art. A is for art. Blue color. B. B is for book. B is for book. Red color. C. C is for cycle. C is for cycle. Sky blue color. D. D is for dance. D is for dance. Light green color. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Yellow color. F. F is for family. F is for family. Blue color. G. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Red color. H. H is for house. H is for house. Sky blue color. I. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. Light green color. J. J is for jam. J is for jam. Yellow color. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Blue color. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. Red color. M. M is for mat. M is for mat. N. N is for nut. N is for nut. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. S. S is for sunflower. S is for sunflower. T. T is for teacher. T is for teacher. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. V is for van. W. W is for world. W is for world. X. X is for Xerox. X is for Xerox. Y. Y is for yoga. Y is for yoga. Z. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zigzag.